Hello, OFP Nation. It is Wednesday, October 2nd, 2024. Can you believe it, Barry?
Yes, I can't. Well, we are here. We are here. We are here.
Yes,
So,
yes. Welcome to our weekly analysis, our second day of the week, taking a look at the markets. Hello to those of you who are joining us live. Please show us love in the comments. Let us know who's here and where you're tuning in from. And shout out to all of you who watched the replay. We are going to kind of revisit the watch list that we always go through every Sunday, kind of see how things are looking for the rest of this week. And yeah, and then of course, if you have any pairs you want us to take a look at, we got your back. We got you. Barry, are you ready?
I was born ready.
He was born ready. All right, mate. Well, it's all yours.
All right. So, let's get right into it. Nas 100, we're just chilling. We had a break to the downside. Um, Not nothing much to worry about because we're in it for the long haul. So that's that. Gold, gold has been playing funny games. So for now, I do believe we're still bearish. We're still bearish on gold. So I am seeing gold to actually continue this downward momentum, come to the downside. We had this push down, came here, then we put back up. And so I'm seeing from this level, us probably continuing this downward move, coming all the way to 2625. That's like the final level for me, because this is literally a pin bar right here that was created. So that is a perfect area to take profit at this point. So that's what I'm looking at for this coming week. For Thursday, Friday, probably an NFP, we might just see a shoot to the downside. And this is nothing. This is just literally $25 away. So those who are looking to enter, you can enter this. Maybe putting your stop loss at this previous high, then aiming for the downside. Then let's also look at euro dollar. Euro dollar short like to the downside, continue on this downward move, and we are on our way to this support area, which was marked all the way from August. We are looking to reach this level. That is our goal right now. And we have like a tight stop loss, which is like a 4-1. So all good on that. Then also dollar yen. Dollar yen just skyrocketed today as well. So we are still aiming for this very top here. I believe this is a 6 or 7-1 or so on dollar yen. And yeah, we kind of almost take the stop loss. I remember there was somebody who was talking about dollar yen that is going to go bearish on Sunday's market analysis. And he was like, oh, these are going to go bearish and everything like that. But yeah, we still hold on even when we are literally a tiny bit of pips away from our stop loss here. So yeah, we don't do any funny things here on this channel. We take things as it is. When we hit stop loss, we hit stop loss. But yeah, it's good we survived this stop loss hunt, which was somewhere around this area, and we bounced off from that, and we seem to be going up strongly. So I'm hoping this continues going up, and I bet dollar index is also doing the same thing. Next is pound yen. Pound yen pushed all the way down. We seem to be making a new high. I guess once we just breached, because this is like what I said last time, we touched this area, we didn't go beyond it, but this is definitely signifying us to go right beyond it, and we should be coming around this area of 200 flat on pound yen. So that's where I'm seeing us going in these coming weeks. So let's also look at CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss is a bit slow. We seem to have been in a very, very long consolidation ever since this breakout here. We have literally been at the same price since then. We haven't gone up, we haven't gone down whatsoever. We just seem to be like in a long 2 months consolidation. So yeah, we are still holding this, going all the way up here. So that's our interest at this moment in time. I believe I've covered our main watch list. Let's actually look at pound dollar. Pound dollar is a pair we said we'll look at this coming week. Let's see how it went actually. So we are at a level of support. We seem to have broken slightly through it, but we kind of are consolidating around here. So, yeah, I believe we also made a new high over here. And let's see. I say this level is going to be an area of interest. So yeah, this can be actually a good entry point right now. Maybe even putting our stop loss right above here. Then I'll take profit coming all the way down here. That's what I am actually seeing on pound dollar, because it seems to also be going the same scenario with euro dollar. So I think this can be a very good trade. Yeah, this is like almost a 5-to-1. So this is what I'm saying on pound dollar. Like we can actually make a move coming to the downside all the way to 130 or even 130, 300. But to be safe, 130, 300 seems to be like a good take profit area. Let's look at US 30, what transpired. So US 30 seems to be consolidating. I do not know why, but yeah, nothing much to do here till we actually go beyond this level here, or we make a new high. Then we can draw probably a trend line, but this doesn't look like we might make a new high. It just looks like we might actually push the downside and continue with our original plan coming to these 3 levels. Let's now look at Brent. Yeah, let's switch over to here. Let's look at Brent oil now and the dollar index. We'll also look at Bitcoin, because I've seen that we bounced off 65,000 on Bitcoin. But at this moment, let me just take this moment to actually look. Okay, we have Augustino here. Hello, Augustino, how are you doing? So let's just look at dollar index. Let's see where we're at with dollar index. Ooh, yeah, there we go. So we broke this trend line, broke above the resistance, and yeah, 103 seems like that's where we're gonna go. That's why we have had today a lot of pairs like dollar, yen, and euro dollar just have like crazy strength with the dollar pair. So Yeah, I do see us continue with this upside movement with dollar index strengthening. Then let's also look at Brent oil. Let's see where we are with the Brent oil. So also Brent oil seems to have come all the way down into this area, reached our pin bar, then bounced immediately off that. So that means this is how we would have entered into this market. Like literally a trend line would have been drawn here, and there was this resistance level over here. It's already broken. So we seem to either have reached this level where we could have take profit on this previous resistance, or we can ride it all the way up to $80 per barrel. That's what I am seeing with Brent oil. Like we are probably also looking to turn this around and be bullish on oil. So everything just seems to be looking up now and recovering, which is a good sign. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on Brent oil. Let's actually look finally at Bitcoin. Bitcoin reversed at this resistance level, and we seem to be going down, like we breached all the way beyond. And I thought this is an area that we have just definitely ended, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. This seems like a short-term pullback. And what do? We draw our trend line here. We've already made a new low. So what ideally we need to look for is a break of this trend line, then maybe also a break of this resistance here. If this does get broken and then immediately take out the resistance here, we may actually be aiming for this resistance instead. But for now, we're looking to break this resistance here. Then we can look to probably even go all the way up here to 70,000. But I'm actually seeing Bitcoin go all the way to 80,000, where there's this green line, and probably make a new high. Remember what I said? End of year, Bitcoin has to actually do what it always does each and every single year, make a gain of at least 15 to 20% in December as we go into the new year. So we are looking forward to seeing that happen on Bitcoin. But for now, we're just watching to see if it's going to be a breakout. If there is, we take action and we ride this to the top all the way to 70,000. So that's what I'm seeing on Bitcoin. Right. Any other pairs that may be of interest? I'm probably taking only one more pair, which would be of interest, or questions that all may have. What about you, Ria? Any pair whatsoever?
Hi, friend. No, I don't have any. Not today. I haven't been
All
looking
right.
at the chart, like I said. But
Okay, okay.
I'm gonna spend some time myself analyzing this evening.
Right,
So,
all right. Sounds good. Sounds good.
yes,
Right.
sir.
Well, let's not waste too much time on this live stream. We have already gotten through all the pairs that we talked about Sunday. I don't know. I just feel like also mocking the guy who said that dollar yen is gonna go down. Yeah, but it actually shot all the way up. Yeah, close call to that stop loss we had. That's all I can say. A very close call. Yeah, and all of you always see this live happening. So yeah. I am just glad that level held and we are going the right direction. So let's see how this week ends, and make sure you trade safe, especially for NFP. NFP is probably going to be a bit wild, but make sure you have your stop losses on. Risk management is also important to avoid being either left out and the like. Yeah, but thank you everyone for joining us for this live stream today. and we'll be seeing you all on Sunday.